Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to join a warband on the Diablo Immortal mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Diablo Immortal account. And if you already log in, you need to make sure that you already have a 28 level of your character. And then if you already make sure that your character level is enough, you can click the menu on the right of the mini map on the top corner, and then you can click warbands or view warbands, and over here you can apply into the warband like this. Okay, and then I will apply for this. Okay, and also you can see the warband overview like this, and here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.